The Haunted House, My Terrifying Night in an Abandoned Mansion. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to stay overnight in a place that is known to be haunted? What if I told you that I did just that? This is the terrifying true story of how I spent one night in an abandoned mansion, a place that was said to be haunted by the spirits of those who lived there long ago. It all started when I heard about the mansion on the outskirts of town. It was an old, dilapidated house with a dark history. People said strange things happened there. Some claimed to have seen flickering lights in the windows. Others swore they heard whispers when there was no one around. But for me, it was an opportunity I couldn't resist. I decided to spend a night there, hoping to uncover the truth. The night began calmly enough. I walked through the rusted gates of the mansion and was greeted by the sound of the wind howling through the trees. The house was massive, its once beautiful structure now decaying. The walls were cracked and the windows were covered in layers of dust, but I could still feel the eerie presence of something watching. I set up my camera, ready to document every moment. I started to explore the house, hearing nothing but my own footsteps echoing through the empty halls. But then, I heard something strange. A door creaked open on its own, and as I turned the corner, I saw a shadow flicker across the hallway. I thought it was just my imagination, until the door slammed shut behind me. I tried to stay calm, but my heart was racing. I decided to explore further, hoping to get some footage of whatever was in the house. The further I went into the mansion, the colder it became. The temperature seemed to drop, and an unsettling feeling crept over me. Suddenly, I heard footsteps behind me, soft but unmistakable. I turned around, but no one was there. I quickly made my way to the main staircase, my camera trembling in my hands. As I ascended, I saw something that made my blood run cold. A figure standing at the top of the stairs, dressed in old-fashioned clothes, staring down at me. I couldn't make out any details, but the feeling of being watched was overwhelming. I wanted to leave. I wanted to run, but my legs wouldn't move. I froze, my eyes locked on the figure. But just as quickly as it appeared, the figure vanished. I bolted down the stairs, but as I reached the front door, I heard a voice, soft and distant, whispering my name. The door slammed shut before I could open it, trapping me inside. Panicked, I searched for another exit, but it felt as though the house itself was closing in on me. The whispers grew louder, and the shadows seemed to move on their own. I had no choice but to face whatever was in that house. I finally managed to escape, but the entire night felt like a blur. I couldn't stop shaking, and the images of what I saw in that mansion haunted me for days. Even now, I don't know what I experienced that night, whether it was real or just my mind playing tricks on me. All I know is that the mansion is still out there, waiting for someone else to uncover its secrets. To this day, I can't shake the feeling that something followed me home that night. Sometimes, when I'm alone in my room, I hear faint whispers, just like the ones I heard in the mansion. But when I look around, there's never anyone there. When I finally escaped the mansion, my hands were trembling. I kept telling myself that everything I saw and heard was just my imagination. But deep inside, I knew something had followed me. I thought it was over, but the real horror had just begun. Strange events begin. The next night, I was in my room editing the footage I had recorded in the mansion. Everything seemed normal at first, but as I watched closely, my blood ran cold. In the video, while I was walking inside the mansion, a dark shadow moved behind me. It was faint but definitely there. And when I climbed the stairs, the shadow moved closer. I hadn't seen anything at that moment, but the camera had captured it. A chill ran down my spine. Was someone there with me? I tried to convince myself that it was just a trick of the light or a glitch in the video. But then, my window suddenly shook on its own. Before I could react, I heard a whisper behind me. The same voice I heard in the mansion. "You came back?" My body froze. My heart pounded. I slowly turned around, but there was nothing there. That night I had a terrifying dream. I found myself back inside the mansion, but this time everything looked different. The walls were new, chandeliers were glowing, and in the hallway stood a woman dressed in white. Her hair was messy, and her eyes glowed in the darkness. She slowly walked towards me, her steps echoing through the empty halls. I backed away, but suddenly she screamed, "This place is not for you!" "Leave now,"